Luke, where have you been? I've been so worried. Luke?
Are you listening carefully? We have your son.
Luke.
He is unharmed, and will remain so if you follow our instructions to the letter.
Where is he? What have you done to him?
All you have to do is follow our instructions, and he will be returned unharmed.
Okay. I'll do whatever you say. Just please don't hurt my son.
Good. We'll begin with the obvious. Any attempt to involve the police shall not end well for you or your son. Am I understood?
Yeah. Yes, I understand.
Secondly, do not tell anyone at all about this.
Okay.
It's simple. All you have to do is drop a package at our chosen location.
That's all.
Correct.
What kind of package? Hello? No. No! Hello?
The package we require is £100,000 in cash. You will put the money into a duffel bag and leave it under the double bench by the small bridge in Roundtree Park. Are we understood?
100,000?
That is correct.
I don't have that kind of money.
We don't appreciate being lied to.
I'm not lying. That's a lot of money.
A lot of money you earned in your divorce settlement. No? You have 24 hours. Do not fail us.
I did as you said. I left the money where you asked.
We know.
Just please just give him back to me. Please don't hurt him anymore.